Have you ever finished exactly what a customer asked you to do, only to discover that somehow that's not what success means anymore? Stay with me, because at the end, I'm going to give you one question that can help stop a moving goalpost before it turns a successful project into something that somehow feels like a failure. This happens in business more often than people realize. A customer hires you with a specific objective. We need a new website. Great, you agree on what it needs to do. You establish the scope, you build it, then somewhere along the way, can it also do this? Maybe. You add it. Then, we were really hoping it would integrate with this other system. Asterisk, okay, that's new, but let's talk about it. Then you get close to launch, and suddenly, well, what we really need is for the website to generate more leads. Wait, when did asterisk become the goal? Because now we're not talking about building a website anymore. We're talking about marketing, traffic, advertising, SEO, conversion, follow up, maybe even sales. Those could all be worthwhile things to work on, but they're not automatically the same project. And this is where things can get dangerous. Because when the goalpost moves, the work you've already completed can suddenly be judged against a goal it was never designed to accomplish. Imagine hiring someone to build you a swimming pool. They build exactly the pool you approved. Then at the end you say, "This is great, but I really thought we'd be swimming competitively by now." That's not a pool problem. The objective changed, and sometimes customers don't even realize they're doing it. As they see the project coming together, they understand what's possible. They get new ideas. Their priorities change. That's normal. In fact, some of the best ideas I've seen have appeared halfway through a project. The problem isn't changing your mind. The problem is pretending the change was always part of the original agreement. Because now nobody knows where the finish line is. Every time you get close, it moves. And eventually the person doing the work starts feeling like they can never actually succeed. Here's the question I promised you. When a new expectation appears in the middle of a project, stop and ask, is this helping us accomplish the goal we agreed on? Or are we creating a new goal? That's it. Because if it supports the original goal, maybe it belongs in the project. But if it's a new goal, that's okay too. Call it what it is, a new phase, a change in scope, a new project, a new objective. Then everybody can make an informed decision about the additional time, cost, and work involved. Customers should absolutely be allowed to change their minds. Projects should evolve. Businesses should learn as they go. But the definition of success can't quietly change every time you get close to achieving it. Because if the goalpost keeps moving, eventually nobody remembers what winning was supposed to look like in the first place. Thanks for joining me. I'm your Santa Barbara web guy, and I'll see you next time.